Cap 26 here, just do their tips and repair. And well, we got a part here that came off this model here. Okay, it's a small scale model, and we're just going to glue it back on with some Gorilla Glue. Yeah, I can talk. And restore it. We made a mold of that little hand. We got another model that we can attach that hand to fix the other model that's in the tank now being made. It's not that hard. It's a kind of old model. When you put your models away, make sure you wrap them. I didn't wrap my models when I moved in. A lot of them got broken and I had to look for parts. I got to make parts. So it's a good idea to wrap them up in tissue paper like Christmas ornaments. So let's fix this now. So we glued that on there with the Gorilla Glue clear, and that should hold on there pretty well. We're going to put a little bit more on there. Touch up the paint on this a little bit. You could use green stuff, a little bit of green stuff in there, but then you'd really have to wait a while for it to harden up and attach itself, and it may not, stay. You may still have to glue it on. We'd have to do a rebuild on another hand with green stuff, and then see if I can sculpt it in. That's another project, though. I'm sorry getting ahead of myself here talking about it. Well, I hope this helped you, and I hope you have a good day. Thanks for watching. Please rate, subscribe, and ring the little bell on the side there. You'll notice when the bell is on, it's got two little ringers on each side. So then you'll know that you're subscribed to my channel. Have a great day.